Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Moto G Pure and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh no, 5. So just as we can see, the fingerprint scanner was here correct. I just unlocked the device with a simple touch here to the fingerprint scanner, so you can just try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.